affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative sources of passive income. In essence, it enables businesses to promote their goods through an affiliate in return for a commission. This greatly expands audience reach for less money and risk than traditional marketing. That being stated, adopting affiliate marketing software is a crucial technique for developing a successful affiliate marketing campaign. Here are some of the top affiliate marketing systems to get you started, manage your campaigns, and scale them. Number 1. Amazon Associates. Commission rate varies according to the type of product from 1% to 20%. The payment cycle, 60 days from the conclusion of the current month. Additionally, Amazon withholds payment from Amazon Associates until they reach a $10 threshold. The payment method, check, direct deposit, or Amazon gift card. Amazon Associates is listed first among the affiliate networks. Since 1996, one of the best affiliate programs for newbies has been Amazon Associates. In actuality, it was the world's first program for affiliate marketing on the internet. Since its creation, it's aided internet advertisers in generating revenue by displaying advertisements to the millions of people who use Amazon each year. An Amazon affiliate is compensated with referral fees when they promote a link that results in a purchase. The potential for affiliates to develop also seems limitless because each year, hundreds of businesses learn how to sell on Amazon. Simply click the sign up button on the Amazon Associates page to begin earning money as an Amazon associate. Number 2. ClickBank. Commission rate often between 50% and 70%. Payment cycle, weekly or bi-weekly. Payment method, PayPal, wire transfers, checks, and direct deposits. One of the best companies with affiliate programs for different types of marketers is ClickBank. It's a significant affiliate platform to take into consideration for your business because its affiliate information is freely accessible to everyone. In 1998, ClickBank was founded in a garage and quickly rose to prominence as one of the top affiliate and retail websites worldwide. It currently boasts a sizable affiliate network that has generated billions of dollars in commissions by marketing ClickBank items. No matter your level of skill, it's a great place to start because of its success and 20-year history. It's difficult to pass up with so many things to advertise and so many businesses to work with. Categories consist of investing in business, entertainment and the arts, travel, sports, green goods, residence, and yard. You need to create an account, enter your personal and payment information, and then confirm your account in order to sign up as a ClickBank affiliate. Number 3. GiddyUp. Commission rate varies depending on the type of referral. Payment cycle, the 1st and 15th of every month. To make a withdrawal, you need to earn at least $25. Payment method, checks, ACH, and foreign bank transfers. Because GiddyUp provides an affiliate manager and useful tools to help you with many areas of its program, it's appropriate for novices. Over 150 DTC or direct-to-consumer businesses are available for partnership in a variety of industries, including travel, electronics, health and wellness, and more. Affiliates of GiddyUp have special access to these e-commerce companies. The company also offers powerful analytics, real-time data, and a creative library to support your digital marketing efforts, allowing you to compare your performance month over month. Monitoring your performance can help you find areas where you can improve and eventually earn more commission. Number 4. Impact. Commission rate varies depending on the brands. Payment cycle, you get to pick the day each month when you wish to take your affiliate commissions. Payment method, direct transfer, PayPal, and BACS. One of the few affiliate marketing platforms, Impact, links customers to well-known companies like Airbnb, Uber, Adidas, and others. It's renowned for its automation solutions, which can be used to simplify your campaigns and increase revenue. These businesses offer free membership and management of partnerships. The brands are spread across a number of industries, including beauty, travel, retail, fitness, and others. After joining Impact, you get access to a marketplace where you can browse leading companies and get in touch with their affiliate managers. Impact typically pays CPA or cost per action, which means you'll receive a commission when someone uses your affiliate link to make a purchase. Number 5. Awin. Commission rate varies depending on what each vendor decides to charge. Payment cycle, the 1st and 15th of each month for commissions from the previous month. To cash out, you need to earn a minimum of $20. Payment method, international wire transfer, ACH, and BACS. Another excellent affiliate program for newbies is Awin. You could sign up using any of your social network accounts such as Instagram, Pinterest, or YouTube without having to establish a website. Every affiliate who applies to Awin has their information verified by a compliance check. Awin will refund you your $5 deposit after you hit your first payment threshold. You need to also pay $5 to join the program. Over 21,200 brands, including renowned and well-known ones, are accessible through Awin. You can look through the firm's advertiser directory and find any program you want to join, or you can get in touch with a representative of the company to talk about a partnership. Number 6. eBay Partner Network. Commission rate? Depending on the kind of goods, it ranges between 50% and 70%. Payment cycle? Accounts that have made more than 10 units of a country's currency such as $10 or 10 pounds get paid around the 10th day of the month. Payment method, PayPal, and direct deposit if available in the affiliate's country. One of the best paying affiliate programs on the internet is offered by eBay. The place where you can register to become an eBay affiliate is the eBay Partner Network. eBay provides affiliates with the resources they need to efficiently market eBay's products. Regardless of how you decide to sell your products, you can benefit from eBay's affiliate program. As an eBay affiliate, in contrast to some of the other affiliate marketing schemes on our list, you'll be dealing directly with eBay and its goods. While you will to some extent assist sellers, your main interaction will be with eBay. You'll be working with a platform that companies desire to sell on, exactly like Amazon. With options like eBay dropshipping, expansion is all but guaranteed. Additionally, eBay doesn't insist that you use it only. While working with other merchants and programs to earn extra money, you can be an eBay affiliate. You need to first apply to join its affiliate program, which takes around 5 minutes before you can begin. It's undoubtedly among the simpler application processes. Number 7. Rakuten Affiliate. Commission rate varies according to the commission rates of the partner merchant. Payment cycle, 90 days after receiving payment from the sellers. A minimum of $50 in commissions must also be earned before you can get paid. Payment method, direct deposit, or check. With a market share of 7.25% among affiliate networks, this program ranks 3rd. More than 2,500 different retail brands that offer a wide range of goods are linked to Rakuten. Select the product and merchant that best fits your needs, and then press the apply button to continue. The majority of businesses are significantly involved in the affiliate screening process, which is one of the more distinctive aspects of the Rakuten affiliate program. Don't be shocked if the response is no if you aren't a good fit. The remainder of the process is straightforward though once you've received approval. Select the offer that best complements your article or advertisement, create your affiliate link, and then begin to make money. Number 8. ShareASale. Commission rate varies according to the commission rates of the partner merchant. Payment cycle for commissions from the previous month on the 20th or the next business day. Payment method, direct deposit, paper check, or Payoneer. The Awin Group purchased the affiliate platform ShareASale in 2017. ShareASale, a service provider that has won dozens of awards, assisted the Awin Group in producing $1 billion in revenue for publishers and $14 billion for advertisers. Due to the fact that joining the network and applying for programs are both free, it's ideal if you want to start affiliate marketing with no money. There are more than 16,000 merchants available on the platform. You'll thus discover a product category or affiliate product that suits you, regardless of your niche. A wide range of commission charges is associated with that diversity of merchants. Real CPA rates are simple to locate, and you can find programs that provide commissions ranging from 1% all the way up to high-ticket affiliate programs with 300% commission rates. What's best? It's free and simple to sign up for. It's a terrific choice for new bloggers or influencers because you can sign up with either your website or a social media account. Number 9. FlexOffers. Commission rate varies depending on what each vendor decides to charge. Payment cycle: unless you're a top affiliate who's eligible for advanced payments, standard payouts are net 60. For example, commissions earned during March 1 to 31 are processed 60 days later on May 31. Payment method: PayPal, checks, wire transfers, and banks. FlexOffers is another sizable affiliate network to take into account. With over 12,000 advertisers including well-known brands like Samsung and Sephora. Although the platform's color palette could be improved, it's easy to use and navigate. The fact that FlexOffers includes free blogging platforms like WordPress, Wix, Blogger, and Blogspot as traffic sources make it even more intriguing. Additionally, the cookie duration is outstanding at 30 days. FlexOffers is a terrific choice if you want to promote well-known businesses, but it's also a great choice if you want to launch an affiliate marketing campaign without spending any money. Number 10. AffiliaXe. Commission rate varies depending on what each vendor decides to charge. Payment cycle: payments are made twice a week on the 15th and the last day of the month, although the minimum payout is $100. Payment method: PayPal, Payoneer, ACH, and Bankwire are all accepted through Tapfiliate. AffiliaXe, an international affiliate marketing network with its headquarters in Israel, provides VIP service to small internet businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs alike. As an approved affiliate, you have access to a dedicated affiliate manager who will choose the best programs for you and optimize your traffic in order to increase conversion rates. AffiliaXe offers the widest range of monetization options, including pay-per-view, pay-per-click, social networking, email marketing feeds, and more. Additionally, you'll receive a lucrative $1,000 affiliate welcome incentive. AffiliaXe is great for existing websites or influencers because it's notoriously difficult to join. Number 11. Avangate Affiliate Network. Commission rate varies depending on the type of referral. Payment cycle: 20 days following the conclusion of the month for which the commission is due. Payment method: Avangate MasterCard, PayPal, check, or wire transfer in partnership with Payoneer. One of the most recent platforms on this list, Avangate Affiliate Network was formed in 2006. Avangate Affiliate Network can assist you in developing a passive income from promoting software and digital products if your specialization is that of a software or digital products retailer. The ability to use a geo-targeted shopping cart is another feature that distinguishes Avangate Affiliate Network from rival networks. This implies that you can deep link users to a localized cart if you're seeking to reach a certain market location. Therefore, Avangate is the network for you if you're a tech-savvy blogger, you need a dedicated website, and you desire large commissions from digital goods and online courses. Number 12. CJ Affiliate or Commission Junction Affiliate. Commission rate varies depending on the type of referral. Payment cycle: commissions for the current month are often paid on the 20th or 28th of the following month. Since its inception, CJ, a 20-year-old affiliate marketing platform, has benefited affiliates and merchants. The business collaborates with twice as many internet retailers as any other affiliate program, according to its website. CJ also bragged about how much more merchants like their website than other affiliate marketing schemes. That assertion appears to hold up fairly well when you look at what it has to offer in more detail. With a reputation like that, it's easy to understand why it should be at the top of your list when selecting an affiliate program. Number 13. Refersion. Commission rate varies depending on the type of referral. Payment cycle: weekly or bi-weekly. Payment method: direct deposit or Payoneer. Refersion transformed from a beta product to a successful business in a few years. The affiliate marketing platform has approximately 60,000 users after 7 years in the business. It's popular among partners and retailers due to its excellent customer care. Even onboarding seminars and training are available to new clients, allowing them to evaluate the functionality of the software. The Refersion marketplace also provides you with a list of affiliates so you can find them and expand your business more quickly. Affiliates receive a customized site with a dashboard where they can keep an eye on their activity, payouts, and commissions. Refersion's free listing of your affiliate program on the market makes you discoverable in turn. All significant e-commerce systems including Shopify, Salesforce Commerce Cloud, Magento, an Adobe company, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce are compatible with Refersion. Number 14. Impact.com. Commission rate varies depending on the referrals. Payment cycle, payments vary on every referral. Payment method, direct deposit, Payoneer, and check. Impact.com is a potent and highly regarded platform for managing partnerships that are intended to redefine and maximize various partnership kinds, such as publishers, affiliates, and influencers for the expansion of businesses. It's received numerous accolades from publications like The Drum, G2, Business Insider, and Business Intelligence. Utilizing the platform's automation technology and discovery capabilities, Impact.com enables you to find fresh talent and create your ideal team. With its reliable contract and pay solutions, you could choose your own terms, use flexible, paperless contracts, and pay your partners across borders. It also enables you to engage and track partners, safeguard your affiliate program against fraud, keep an eye on compliance, and organize your partner management activities. A data lab for data visualization, postpone deep linking to increase conversion rates, and connections with CRM systems like Salesforce and HubSpot CRM are just a few of the newest additions to the platform. Other recent additions to Impact.com's offerings include forecasting and anomaly detection, which provides insight into performance indicators, historical data, seasonal trends, and product listing experience, which streamlines the process of finding the appropriate products to promote for you as an affiliate or influencer. Number 15. Tapfiliate. Commission rate varies depending on the type of referral. Payment cycle, payments vary from each referral made. Payment method, PayPal, Wise, and bank transfer. The 93% customer satisfaction rate for Tapfiliate speaks for itself. This platform, which puts customer satisfaction at its core, is supported by more than 2,000 users. Additionally, Tapfiliate is a member of the Admitad network, which unites affiliates and advertisers on a single platform. Also, this affiliate tracking program guarantees total brand control. The platform allows you to handle marketing materials and promotions as well as personal links and sign-up sites. Affiliates may find this appealing, and you can even add them with an invite URL. You can build custom connectors in addition to those with more than 30 SaaS platforms. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, hit the like, and share this video with your money and business-minded friends. Please share your comments below. Until next time.